Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making hummus. Hummus can make a fantastic dip for parties or get-togethers, or you can spread it on a sandwich to add extra flavor or protein to your meal. We need a few ingredients, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we are going to need 1/3 of a cup of tahini. If you're not familiar with what tahini is, it is a sesame seed paste. You can find it in most grocery stores. We're also going to need 2 to 4 tablespoons of the reserve juice from our canned chickpeas. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 3/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt, 2 cloves of garlic. We're also going to need the juice of 1 lemon. It's going to be about 2 to 3 tablespoons. We're also going to need 1 15-ounce jar of chickpeas. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add in our garlic, our lemon juice, and our tahini into a blender, and we're going to mix this up for about 1 minute to 2 minutes or until that garlic has really broken down. Now once that is thoroughly mixed, we're going to add in our chickpeas into our blender, our cumin, and our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to mix this together for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it becomes smooth. Now we're about halfway through. We can see that it's really starting to break down. We're going to want to scrape down our sides of our blender just to get it all in there. And it's looking real thick. And this is where the liquid from the chickpeas comes from. We just want to add in a little bit at a time and keep blending it. You don't want to add too much or it's going to become too thin. We're just going to keep adding and blending until it's the right consistency that we are looking for. Alright, that is the consistency we are looking for right there. It's a nice smooth paste. It's not gritty at all. And now we're going to add in our salt. We're just going to mix it up for about another minute. Alright, not sure how well you can see that, but our hummus is looking great. So now let's plate this. Today I'm having my hummus as a dip. So I'm just going to simply just place this into a bowl. Just like so. This is looking fantastic. I think I'm going to have mine with some pita just to dip in there. Let me get that plate. Once we have it plated up, drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. Sprinkle it with some fresh chopped parsley. Oh, that looks amazing. Let's get a taste. Let's get a bite. Perfect consistency. Wow. So much flavor. You get a nice hint of the garlic in there. It's not overpowering. The lemon lifts it up, provides a nice freshness to it. The cumin adds a touch of heat. Nothing much, just really brightens it up. This is a fantastic hummus recipe. I hope that you try this. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link from that description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.